Mahal ko, happy 23rd birthday. Mahal na mahal ko kita. Sana, kahit sa dami ng problema na dumarating sa atin, lagi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal na mahal kita. At lagi kang nandito sa puso ko. Oops! At nang dahil dyan, may nag-text. You know what? When I first saw you, I don't know what I'm going to do. Because I'm falling for you. And when I met you, I knew already that I love you. And I promise to you that I will love you no matter what happens. I'll be there for you, to take care of you, to support you, to protect you in everything that you do. From Tyrone. Oops! Ay, sa akin pa nang galing yun, mahal ko. So, paano? I love you so much, mahal ko. And happy 23rd birthday ulit. I love you. Mwah!